Purchasing a home is one of the biggest investments most people make in their lives. It is important to protect this investment by having home insurance to cover you in case of any unforeseen circumstances or disasters. Home insurance is required in Ontario when buying a property, and there are good reasons why it should be included in your purchase. It can help protect homeowners from financial loss due to events such as fire, windstorms, theft, or even vandalism. Additionally, it covers damage to your personal belongings and liability coverage in case someone gets injured on your property. In the event of a major storm or other natural disasters, home insurance may also pay for your temporary living arrangements while repairs are being made. For more videos like this, please like this video and follow us here. Thanks for watching.